Hey everyone, if you've ever struggled with combining shapes and creating intricate logo designs, Illustrator's Pathfinder tool will make your workflow much easier. Instead of manually adjusting and aligning objects, this tool lets you merge, subtract, and divide shapes in just a few clicks, giving you clean, professional results without the hassle. Before we jump into how it works, let's get Illustrator installed. If you don't have it yet, check out the link in the description. It'll take you straight to Adobe's official site, where you can download the latest version safely and securely. How to download and install Adobe Illustrator. If you're new to Illustrator, here's how to set it up. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't have one yet, it only takes a minute. Find Illustrator in the list of apps and click Free Trial to start the download. Install Adobe Creative Cloud, which will handle the installation for Illustrator. Once it's installed, launch Illustrator and you're ready to start designing. Now that Illustrator is set up, let's go over how to use the Pathfinder tool to create complex logos in minutes. How to use the Pathfinder tool in Illustrator. Pathfinder is essential for merging and cutting shapes, making it the perfect tool for logo design. Here's how to use it. Open Illustrator and create the basic shapes for your logo using the rectangle, ellipse, or polygon tools. Select the shapes you want to combine and open the Pathfinder panel, window greater than Pathfinder. Use the Unite option to merge multiple shapes into one. Try the minus front option to cut one shape from another. It creates negative space in logos. Experiment with Intersect and Divide to create intricate overlapping designs. Once you're happy with the shape, refine it by adjusting anchor points with the Direct Selection tool A. With just a few clicks, you can turn simple shapes into a professional, polished logo without spending hours adjusting individual paths. Before you go, if you haven't installed Illustrator yet, click the link in the description to get it now. That way, you'll have access to all the tools you need to create stunning logos. If you know someone trying to improve their Illustrator skills, share this video with them. The Pathfinder tool is a game changer for logo design, and it'll help them create clean, scalable designs in no time. That's it for today. Have fun experimenting with Pathfinder, and I'll see you in the next one.